Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a Phantom wallet to Raydium on phone. And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just go ahead and use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back. Now, start by opening up your Phantom wallet, and then once you're in here, just go to the bottom right and tap on the Discover button or the Search button, okay? Tap on it. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, tap on the search bar, and then here, just go ahead and find Raydium. Just type it down, wait for it, and just tap on Raydium. Make sure that it is under Sites, okay? Tap on it. Now in here, we have the Open button at the very bottom, okay? Just tap on it, wait for the Raydium website to load, and then once it loads, just tap on Agree right here, enter Raydium. Then go ahead and tap on Connect at the top right. There you go. Now just go ahead and select a Phantom wallet, okay? There you go. Now your account will automatically reflect in here. If you have multiple Phantom wallet accounts, you can go and select one, and then once done, just hit on Connect. There you go. As fast as that, you have your Phantom wallet and Raydium connected on your phone. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.